This is the original condition of the lead-in edge and apron. It's actually much better condition than most new construction. We put a lot of extra effort into this part of the garage because this is the most vulnerable part of the installation. This is where your tires hit and lift the weight of your vehicle onto the garage floor. This is the finished prep. We have ground down to white concrete and have removed all the loose material. We then grind back the riser into a straight edge and fill the voids. Then round over the edges for a better appearance, but more importantly to reduce the friction caused by hot tires. You can also see the expansion joints on both the garage floor and apron are filled for a seamless surface. Here's the final result. A very smooth and strong transition from the driveway to the apron and, more importantly, the lead-in edge onto the garage floor.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.